You need to hear this if you love travel. Glen here with an exciting announcement. Season 2 of Talk Travel with Glen is just around the corner. Get ready to explore the world in a whole new way. We've got fresh insights, expert interviews, and travel tips you won't want to miss. First episode, we're diving into the hottest travel trends for 2025. What destinations are making waves? Which experiences should be on your radar? We've got it all. But wait, there's more. Ecotourism, hidden gems, culinary adventures, and tips for traveling with pets. Plus, inspiring stories from fellow travelers and industry experts. So mark your calendars. Season 2 kicks off on January 8, 2025. Subscribe to Talk Travel with Glen on your favorite podcast platform and never miss an episode. And hey, I want to hear from you. Share your travel stories and questions. You might be featured in a future episode. Follow talktravelwithglen.com for behind-the-scenes content and updates. Let's embark on this adventure together. Let's talk travel soon.
Travel far and wide, let's take flight. See the world's wonders, day and night. From sandy beaches to mountain peaks, every adventure, a memory we keep. Join the journey, share the thrill,